Hey guys, so I absolutely love the clean girl makeup trend, and I actually wanted to do the clean girl makeup look for today's video, but I guess it's kind of do it for the summertime, even though it's pretty much a summer makeup look, but I wanted to do it for today. So I just filled in my brows. Now what I'm going to do is actually, let's see where it is. Oh, not drop things. So I'm going to take my Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer. This one is in shade Y1. I'm going to carve out the bottom of my brows with this. So I'm going to take my Nikki Rose and BK Beauty N12 brush to do that. To just carve the underneath part of the brow. I don't normally carve the entire brow. I just like to focus it on the bottom of the brow. And with what is ever left, I'm actually going to pick up a little bit more concealer. And I'm actually going to drag the concealer down to prep for the eyeshadow. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Loose Powder, and we are going to set the lid. Alright, for the eye look, the clean girl makeup, I would do more of an eyeshadow look, but since we're keeping it for the summer, I'm going to do a little bit less of what I normally would do. So I'm going to take my bronzer. This is a powder bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I am going to just apply this to the crease. And this is the Morphe and Ariel brush number A. It's rubbed off, so I don't remember. I'm just using the crease brush. The number rubbed off, so I don't remember which one it was. Again, like I said, I really want to keep the eye look very light since this is a summer look, but we're still going to keep it in the clean girl makeup. Sometimes the Ho-Hem Eye Steady makes a beeping noise, and I have no idea what that is. So yeah, what is that? Okay, now that I have the crease color on, I'm going to take my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. This is in Flower Child. This is my favorite Super Shock Shadow color. I love it. And I'm just going to place this on the lid. I really like to build it up. Okay, hopefully I have more of this. I don't know if I'm running out of it. So I'm going to take my, actually, I decided just to use browns. We're going to use brown. This is the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Brouhaha. What we're going to do, I'm just going to line the upper lash line. I'm not going to really go on the entire waterline, or lash line, just in the outer third, and create a tiny wing, and we can clean it up a little later. I think my camera's crooked now. Great. So what I like to do actually is I like to take a Q-tip, and I'm just going to clean up the edge of the liner to really make it sharp and just to clean it up. Okay, so I actually had to change my tripod because I needed to charge my Ho-Hem Eye Steady M2 little gimbal tripod thing. So I just applied my Lash Paradise mascara. Okay, now let's go to complexion. So I'm going to first start with the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour skin tint. I love this skin tint for this type of a makeup look, and for the summer, it's amazing. But the only thing is I don't like the dropper, so I just kind of, oh, I got it on my white shirt. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to blend this in. So I do want to amp it up just a little bit for this makeup look since it is a clean girl look. I'm going to take my Makeup by Mario Bronzing and Shaping Serum. I'm first going to apply this to the cheekbones, on the nose. Okay, so I just quickly blended all of the bronzer, and now I'm going to use some blush. So I'm going to take my, actually, I think this is my favorite blush. This is the LYS High Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush. I'm going to use the shade Humble, and I'm going to take the Nikki Rose and BK Beauty, the N17 brush. I'm going to use the lighter fiber side, apply it to a little bit higher on the cheek. I'm also gonna go on the nose a little bit. Oh, and I forgot to apply a little bit of a concealer. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take a crease brush and I'm gonna take a little bit of the blush and just put it in the crease just a little bit. I love adding my blush to the crease just to add a little bit of cohesiveness to the look. Okay, like I said earlier, I did forget to apply some concealer under the eyes. I'm just going to do that now. I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer. I'm going to use the same concealer that we use on the eyes, by the way. Now I'm going to take my Nikki and BK Beauty, the N16 brush, to blend the concealer. I like to kind of drag it down across, like right up against the nose, just to kind of clean up the nose contour a little bit. Okay, to set the face, I'm going to take my Givenchy Prism Lab Loose Powder in Satin Blanc. I'm going to use the N14 from the Nikki and BK Beauty brushes. Just set the under eye area first, and also the T-zone. And I'm actually going to keep the outsides of the face. I'm not going to set that because I kind of like that dewiness, the outside of the face. But I am going to set the blush with some powder. So I'm going to take the Rare Beauty Luminous Blush in Happy. I'm going to take the darker fiber side from the N17 brush and just set the blush. I'm also going to do the same thing with my bronzer that we used on the crease. I'm going to set my bronzer, or set the Makeup by Mario bronzer. Also, jawline. Okay, then I wasn't going to do this, but I actually do kind of like to do this for a more of a clean girl makeup look. So I'm going to take the Makeup by Mario Soft Glow Highlighter in Pearl, and we are going to do some highlighting. I'm going to take the Anissa Beauty Angled Concealer Brush to apply a highlighter, and just to apply it in the high points of the face. Okay, I'm going to take off what's left from the foundation on the lips and the lip balm. I'm going to use my favorite lipstick. This is the Revie Beauty Effortless Lips lipstick in Lily. I normally sometimes go in with a lip liner, but since this is a summer look and the clean girl look, I'm not going to go in with a liner. Lily matches my natural lip color so well. It's crazy. Yesterday, I just purchased the new shades that LA Glides launched, and I'm so excited to try them. I absolutely love. I'm going to set the brows with my 24-hour Benefit Brow Setter. And then I'm going to finish off with the One Size Beauty Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!